Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share my entry into Judy from my Scrapbook Loft and Donna Dreams ×3 monthly swap that they host. They do take turns every month, and this month it was Judy's turn, and so last month it was Donna's. So the previous month we were swapping ugly papers, and I will leave the link to that video here if you didn't get a chance to meet it. So this month, with those ugly papers we received, we were instructed to make an ATC card and two Christmas cards for each person who participated in your swap, which it's groups of 3. So I have to make 3 sets of 1 ATC and 2 holiday cards with the papers I was given. So I will leave a picture here of the ugly papers I received. And with those papers I have scraps left here. So not too many. And I could probably do little things with these, page flags or banners, that kinds of things, maybe rosettes. But that's what I have left out of the, what did I get? 9, right? 9 sheets of ugly paper, and these were the papers. Anyway, so some of the papers, the partners I had were, so this was from Enchanted by Soleil. So one of the ugly papers I got was from her. The other ones were from Tammy Stamping Therapy and Lise Gaines. So those are the 3 people whose ugly papers I got. And these were the items I made. Yeah, so this was the first card, and I left all the cards blank inside so they can write or stamp whatever sentiment they would like. But it's the most wonderful time of year. It's just a sticker that I have. I did add these Nouveau drops. And then this was the ugly paper that I received, which not so ugly. And there it is, and then I stamped the back. So that's the first one. This was another paper. So these cattle skulls were scattered throughout the print of the paper. And then this was another sheet that I received, and I just had this Santa hat in my stash, as well as this Merry Christmas sticker, and then more Nouveau drops. And that's that one. Here's the third one. And so this paper behind here is the paper that was given to me for the ugly paper swap. I did back it with a red sheet of cardstock. I also got these ornaments. I fussy cut them out from this paper pad. And then I did have this Merry and Bright sticker. I also added these Nouveau drops, which I'm not sure. I think you can see them, huh? So that was card 3. Card 4. This green paper was the ugly paper I received in the swap. And then this paper I received in the swap, and I just cut out the banner. Also, this back strip was another sheet from one of the papers, the scrap pieces that I used. And then I had this sticker in my stash. I actually hauled this from Michael's when I hauled a whole bunch of stickers from their dollar clearance sale they're having. So that's card number 4. Card 5. So this was the paper I received in the ugly paper swap, which I think it's gorgeous. And then I just added this eyelash trim, and then this chipboard piece I had in my stash. It just says, "May your spirits be bright." And then I backed it to black cardstock. Oh, and I added like a scrap piece of paper here. And then my sticker. That's card 5, and this is card 6. And then that paper again, this was the other ugly paper that I received in the swap. This was the back side of this here, so I just backed it a sticker with it. It says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." And then this layered present was from the same sticker pack as this that I hauled from Michael's on their dollar clearance. So that is that one. So those are the 6 cards that I made out of the ugly pack of ugly papers that I received in my swap. And then here are my ATCs. So I just hauled these little leather type glittered Mickey heads from AliExpress, and I will leave that video here if you haven't seen that. And then I received another sticker sheet that I purchased during Michael's haul. Had this candy cane and these tickets on it. And then I just added this longing for sentiment because I'm longing for Disneyland. So that's my ATC card, and then I just have my information on the back. This is another one that I made, and if you can see Tink there. And I just backed them on some rosettes that I cut down to, you know, adjust for the size so it's more symmetrical with it. Is that the word, symmetrical? This was the back of one of the other ugly papers, and I just, you know, ripped it at an angle to add some more interest. And then that shine and sparkle pixie dust. So that's my second ATC card, and here is my third. It's just saying, wishing I know that I am home, and it's the little things. And this is like the Ferris wheel at California Adventures. So that's my third ACT card. So thank you so much, Dewey, for the challenge. I appreciate it. I've loved joining your swaps every other month. I've tried to keep up with Donna's, but I just have not been able to. I'm sorry, Donna. But hopefully you guys are having a crafty day and that you guys are enjoying the Christmas season. Hopefully you guys are following along on my Secret Santa swap that I have participated in. If not, I'll leave a link to the playlist here. I hope you consider liking and sharing the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to join me on my crafty journey. For those of you returning, welcome back. And until my next video, you can find more videos here. Shakas!